So in this question, we go and it says the current passing through a wire is 1,000 amps with 500 watts worth of power. Calculate the amount of resistance in the wire. Right, so the first thing that you're going to do, right, I've already done this here. You'll go and you'll write the equation out to start off with. That's going to be the first thing that you'll need to do. Right, after you've written the equation out, you'll substitute in what you can. So we know that the power is 500 watts. We know that the current is 1,000, and we know that it's the current squared, so we can do 1,000 squared, right? Then times by resistance. Right, so we've gone and we've substituted that in. Right, next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go and rearrange the equation. Right, so we know if you want resistance by itself, right, because that's what we're trying to work out, you're going to go rearrange this, so that would be power divided by resistance squared divided by current squared even equals the resistance. Right, there we go. We go back, we substitute those numbers back in. So power is 500. We're dividing that by 1,000 squared. So 1,000 squared is quite a lot. So that's going to be 500 divided by a million amps. In this case, that's going to equal the resistance. So 500 divided by a million. Right, so that is all going to equal 5, right, and if we're going to go and put it into standard form, times 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, the final part that's going to go and get you the marks here, right, do not forget to put the units in, right, and the unit for resistance is going to be ohms. Right. Sometimes they'll go and they'll ask you to go and put it in standard form. Right. So if they ask you to do that, it's really important that you do. Right. So that is how you'd go and calculate out the resistance by rearranging that equation.